All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Zoom familiarization session. Today, we are going to be getting familiar with some of the features that we will be using on the Zoom platform for our conference, particularly moving in and out of breakout rooms and other little interactive features like the polls, chat, and reactions. All right, right now, the space we're in is the lobby area, and this is where everyone will arrive whenever you come for a conference day. And in this space, you'll be able to view different videos and have participate in different group activities that we have. But when we are ready to go to the main room, then we will use a breakout room feature. So I am going to assign everyone to join me. Let's click this. All right, so I am inviting everyone to move across with me into the main room, and so that room will open now, and please come along. Awesome. All right, so we are all back here, and now we are in the main room. This is where we will have our keynote, our opening remarks, etc. And you will notice at the very top of the screen, there is a timer counting down, and this timer will indicate how much time we will spend in this particular room for a particular session or event. At the end of the time, when the timer goes off, the room will close and we will return to the lobby. At that point, we will have two different breakout sessions for our presentations. 3 presentations will take place in each room, and at that point you will be sent to the room that you selected during registration. If at any point you'd like to change your rooms, please notify one of the tech support personnel and they will assist you with that. All right, now our timer is still going, so we can use the time to try and use reactions. So I want you to find the reactions button at the very bottom of the screen, lower right hand corner. Great, thank you, Ling. And you can go ahead and show your reactions. The reactions feature will only work if your computer has the firewall features removed. Certain security features, so Chromebooks, etc., might prevent you from accessing it. Another feature that we have is the chat. Now, it appears as if polls do not work in the breakout room because I don't see that feature coming up here, but the chat box is available, so everyone can go into the chat and type happy day. Okay, awesome. So I'm seeing all the messages coming through, and of course there's the option to select the person that you want to talk to. So you could go ahead and just select to send a message to me instead of everyone, and I would see thank you. You could type thank you in the chat. Okay, great. Now we have 10 seconds before the room closes out, and you will see an indicator telling you that you will be returned to the main room. So I will see you then. So at this point, we are back into the main room, and we will try a different setup for the breakout rooms. One will be where I'll be able to put you all into different rooms. So move to. So I will put everyone into a different room and have the breakout. So Khalid, wherever you end up, you end up. And we will go for, we don't have to go for the full 3 minutes, but we are all now separated into the two different rooms for our sessions, and we will be sent to those sessions now. Okay? All right, so when the rooms are closed, you'll all come back here. All right, so see you.
That's great. I'm really glad to hear that. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So I realized that the people who are not in the room with me were surprised that I closed their room suddenly, so they all came out smiling. Okay. All right, so I think that's basically it. We have shown them what it's like to split off into separate rooms as a group, like to move to a main room for the keynote, how it is to split off into the separate sessions for like breakout rooms. So when you're having two sessions going at the same time, we've shown our interactions using the reactions button and also how to use the chat.